Hi everyone! Today I'll share with you on how to plant garlic. Before I plant my garlic, I make sure I prepare the garden bed by churning the soil and adding homemade compost to it. So we live in zone 5A and now it's the time to plant my garlic bulb. If you're planning to plant your garlic bulb, make sure that the flat bottom will be in the bottom and then the pointy top will be on the top. So we're in the middle of autumn now, and I'm going to plant my garlic so that the next spring this garlic will be coming out and ready. Just cover it up and my garlic will be ready on next spring. My name is Rica and thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now and see you on my next video.